During the summer months, nothing is as relaxing as kicking back by the pool, enjoying the sun from the backyard swimming pools to massive reservoirs. These water features offer recreation to all people all over the world. But some pools are so extreme that they take on a sinister quality. Today, we're looking at the 10 scariest pools in the world. And before we get into the video, guys, I would like if you make sure you watch the entire video to the very end, as I don't want you to miss out on these scary swimming pools. At number 10, we have the Red Pool at the Library Resort, Koh Samui, Thailand. Welcome to Thailand. We hope you enjoy your stay at the Library Resort. This 4.5-star beachfront resort treats guests with breathtaking views, white sand beaches, and a blood red pool. Wait, say what? Like a scene straight out of a horror movie, this sanguine shaded swimming pool hole is certainly one of the strangest pools we've ever seen. But while the creepy coloring might make your skin crawl, there's no risk of turning red after taking a dip. Believe it or not, the red hue of the pool water is an optical illusion. The water is actually crystal clear, and it gets the creepy factor from a combination of red, yellow, and orange tiles that make up for the pool. At number 9, we have the Queen Mary's Haunted First Class Swimming Pool. Though some reports claim that this pool is haunted by the ghost of the people who drowned in the pool, the Queen Mary's own log detailing the cause of the death of the passenger on the ocean liner doesn't list a single death due to drowning. The ghosts seen in the first-class swimming pool seem to be exclusively female, and there are reports of at least one adult woman and one girl named Jackie that haunt this location. Today, the pool is the highlight of the Haunted Encounters tour at the ship's final resting place of Long Beach, California. Tour guides hum Twinkle Twinkle Little Star in hopes for a visit from the little Jackie, who cries and can often be heard echoing through the carnivorous space. As if it's not spooky enough, there are often reports of wet footprints around the empty pool's edges. At number 8, we have the abandoned pool near Chernobyl, which is in Pripyat, Ukraine. Prior to the 1986 nuclear disaster at Chernobyl, the town of the Pripyat had a population of 49,400. Completely evacuated in just 2 days, its citizens were forced to abandon all possessions, leaving the town a ghost town. Though not officially sanctioned as safe to enter, curious and brave urban explorers have recently began documenting the city's remains for the world to see. This picture right now shows the pool as once it was. At number 7, we have the Devil's Pool in Victoria Falls, South Africa. We'll admit it's a bit of a stretch to include it on our list since it's really not a pool in a man-made sense of the word, but we decided you can't just leave something that's called the Devil's Pool off a list of the scary swimming spots. Located on the Livingstone Island in Australia, Victoria Falls is the largest waterfall on the entire planet at over 330 feet high and is considered as one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Aside from the sheer size, what makes these falls extraordinary is how you can swim to the edge. When the river flows at a certain level, usually between September and December, a rock barrier forms an eddy with a minimal current, allowing the adventurous swimmers to splash around in their relatively safety a few feet away from the point where the water cascades over the falls. With the help of a local guide, adventurous swimmers can get as close as 3 feet away from the edge by sitting on a natural rock shelf called the Devil's Armchair. An estimated 100,000 people visit the falls each year. Only a small percentage of risk to swim out of the pool. Living up to its sinister namesake, occasional deaths have been reported from people slipping over the rock barrier. At number 6, we have the Frozen Pool in Nay Aug Park, Sackerton, PA. Like something out of an episode of AMC's The Walking Swimming Dead, right? Just looking at this frozen over community pool in Sackerton, PA, Nay Aug Park chills us to the bone. It's downright post-apocalyptic, isn't it? If it's not scary, it's certainly super depressing. Pools are meant to be enjoyed. If your pool is too cold to swim in, you're not maximizing your investment or enjoyment, then it's just a really expensive piece of landscaping. We prefer our pools to be warm, comfortable, and open longer than our neighbors' pools if we can help it. But as frightening as old and unused pool is to us, our number 1 pick is even worse. At number 5, we have the closed pool. We can hardly stand to look at it. We know there are only a handful of climates where pools are able to stay open all year round, and if you're lucky enough to live in one of the areas, we are eternally jealous of you. Here in New Jersey, where Aquathrium Industries is located, this is a site that becomes all too familiar right around Labor Day as pools start to cool down. These pools could stay open longer if they were heated. Since daytime temperatures are still unsuitable for swimming for another month, however, heating pools with gas or electric heaters, even for 1 month, can cost pool owners upward of $1,000. We're willing to bet that this is a similar story for where you live. Want to avoid this scary sight in your backyard for as long as possible? We don't blame you. A solar heater extends your swimming lesson, maximizes your investment in the pool without any expensive monthly utility bills. Solar is also the solution to keep your pool open longer and the scary side of the closed pool out of your backyard. At number 4, we have the Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. Just looking at the bathers enjoying the skytop pool at the Marina Bay Sands in Singapore makes me cringe. Where are the guardrails? Where is the safety harness? What if someone drinks too much and ventures towards the edge? What if you go for a night swim and get confused about where to dive in? It seems as though swimmers might slide right out and fall into the empty space below. At number 3, we have the Cambarian in Switzerland. Dress warm for this pool. Hanging on the side of ice-crusted mountains in Switzerland, the pool confronts a fear of hypothermia and a fear of heights simultaneously. I can't help but wonder if it's customary to wear a parka as a swimsuit cover-up before and after entering the water. I know I'd be sporting one. At number 2, we have the Swala Luxury Lodge in Tanzania. Watch out for the man-eating lions while bathing in the swimming pool. Found in the middle of Tanzania wild, you'll be sharing the space with gazelles, elephants, zebras, giraffes, and even cheetahs as part of a larger resort experience by Sanctuary Retreats. This pool lets you take a swim on the wild side. At number 1, we have the Sky Tower pools in Mexico City. These pools in Mexico City can hang precariously over the edge of the Sky Tower, just like the Little Bird House. Similar to the Holiday Inn pool in Shanghai, this concept is actually scarier because it's several pools overlapping each other. Just imagine what happens if one pool falls on the other. While the swimming pool was originally created for athletic training, it has now become a space for both relaxation and play. And just like that, guys, we've come to the very end of our video. For more exciting videos, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.